Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the phone's mobile hotspot and noting the network name and password. This is how the PC will authenticate. Make sure mobile data is active and battery won't die mid-transfer, because interruptions drop the link. Choose 4 GHz for older PCs or 5 GHz for faster speeds if supported. Once done, leave the hotspot screen open so the network stays discoverable, and check any data limits so you don't exceed your plan. On the PC, open the Wi-Fi menu and find the hotspot SSID you wrote down. Select it and enter the password exactly, since the network won't connect with typos. Choose private if you're on a trusted device to allow file sharing, otherwise pick public. If the SSID doesn't appear, make sure the PC's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and not in airplane mode. If needed, update or reinstall the wireless driver, because outdated drivers commonly prevent connection. Once connected, check the PC's network icon and open network details to confirm an IP address and active internet. This proves DHCP and routing are working. If pages don't load, disable any VPN or proxy temporarily, because they can prevent DNS or authentication. If you still have issues, restart the phone's hotspot and the PC to force fresh DHCP leases. This simple reboot fixes most handshake problems. If problems persist, switch hotspot band or tether via USB for a more stable link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.